Been sent another Amazon package. Not too sure what it is. It's just saying it can, for emergency, call this number. So I'm guessing it's some form of electronic. It's got battery, some form of battery inside. Let's open it up. Normally Amazon send big boxes with small things. Excited to see what it is. So we have what looks like a wireless doorbell by 1x1, which is the brand name. It's IP44 rated, 492 feet wireless, 36 ringtones. It's a simple plug-in and play. It's a DIY job for us, and it's easy chime. So I guess it looks like there's a white color option. That looks like that's the doorbell ringer, and that is the tone releaser or chime. Let's look around. Oh, it comes in a black option as well. Let me just move this out the way. Yeah, so there's nothing on this side. So we've got the white option. So before we go any further, let's check how much this costs on Amazon. So I've just searched that on Amazon, and let's put it on Prime. Let's put it by price. Oh, here we go. The first one there. So that is showing us, oh, $6.99 for the white option. Doesn't seem to give me a color option to change. What does it say on here about it? Pretty cool. Okay, so it seems quite straightforward. So let's get back to the product and unboxing. So now I'm gonna open it up and let's see what we get inside. So first thing we see, it's, oh wow, it's quite big. Can't see if you can tell how big this is, but if we compare this to my battery pack, and this is a 20,000 watt battery pack, it is huge, this plug. It's massive. Okay, so let's just move the box to one side and let's look at this. How do we open this first of all? Okay. So it's a UK pin plug socket. It's a 3-pin. As you can see, 1x1 easy chime. Okay, and it's just plain with the logo. I'm guessing that's the LED. And what do we have here? We have power on, modes, that looks like a chime setting, and volume. The other sides are empty, so let's put that to one side, 1x1. We also have, this looks like the doorbell ringer. Let's open it up. Ooh, I do like the clicky. It's quite clicky indeed. Don't know if you can hear that. It's quite a loud click. It's got a good feel to it. Doesn't look like there's any mounting points on this to mount it onto a door, so it'll be interesting to see how we mount this on. Wireless doorbell push button. Oh, so this does require a battery. Let's hope they've given one in the box. So they've provided mounting brackets. I don't see any mounting on there. We'll figure that out in my installation guide video. Okay, so they've also given this. From the shape of this, I'm guessing this is a double-sided adhesive so that we can stick the doorbell onto the door without having to drill or screw in. Fair enough, but my only concern would be someone can just pull it off. What's next? Give a few things. Oh, they do provide a battery, which is really good, I guess, for the $6.99 price. It's a standard flat 2020 battery. Not much left. Oh, there is. Didn't see that. They've also provided a flathead screwdriver. Sorry about the focus. So yeah, it's quite a lot of things you get in this. And last but not least, you get a manual. Can't be too complicated. It's just a bloody ringtone chimer. Stay tuned for the installation and testing of the product.